Hey guys, this is Bill Keefe with Colton RV. We're at our Orchard Park location where we recently hosted our new owners clinic. And so the purpose of this event was to give the new customers the opportunity to, come on down and meet other members of the team. Members of the team here at Colton, where we could answer questions for them and basically just make sure that they were comfortable camping. Just have some fun. We had some great barbecue and we answered the most commonly asked questions that we normally receive from first-time RVers. There were different station setups, we had parts, we had service, we had finance that customers could stop at and just have meaningful and informational conversations and basically just build relationships with. So it was awesome. It was really awesome. We just want everyone to know that it doesn't stop after the sale, right? Too frequently, you buy something and then that's it. We really want to be there for you. We want to be a resource for you after the sale. We just want you to be part of the Colton family. So thanks to everyone for showing up. It was a lot of fun. And you know what? We're gonna have a lot more fun this summer at Colton RV. We're gonna have workshops and events, so be on the lookout for those dates, and I look forward to seeing you there. All right, who's feeling lucky? All right, Abby, you ready to draw? Oh, there we go, drum roll over there. It's a happy couple, I love it. Bonnie Bonnet!